Well, here we are, guys, testing the old retracts and the 5,000 mAmp batteries. Okay, retracts up. Got the camera going on the front just to see what the jello's like. Retracts down. See if I can land this thing. There we go. Taking off again. Just practicing me landing and takeoff because retracts up. Definitely changes the flight characteristics. Try landing again, steady. Yep. Okay. Here we go again. Nice, steady. Bit windy. Retracts up. So here we go again, second battery, camera's rolling. I've removed the rear battery just to try the centre of balance. Here we go. Retracts up. Retracts down. I think what I'm going to have to do is extend them legs out a bit because it does fall over. I'm going to get some stuff today and try it. See how wobbly they are, them legs? There must be a way of tightening them up. Flight characteristics definitely change when the landing gear's up. Got to admit that. Yeah, the jello is on the camera. I think I'm getting a good 10 minutes out of these battery packs, these 5,000 mAmps. And a lot longer than me, obviously you're going to get more than your 2,200 mAmps. Yeah, it's okay. Someone was in the area, so I thought I'd land. See how they move? I think I'm going to have to go inside and see if I can tighten them up. I do like them. When I get the 3-axis gimbal, they do wonders. Let the wind bring her back. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Still lots of work to do. Let's try a quick loiter. Back to stabilise. These drop, you've got to be careful of that. Okay, that'll do for today, I think. Got to do the batteries before I even